Welcome back. In this video, we will show you the benefits of using color offload with SigmaNEST. A common problem operators have when dealing with multiple work orders is knowing which part goes to which order quickly. If your operator has to shuffle through paperwork to see which parts go where, you might want to consider color offload. You can see in this example, I have a nest that was created in SigmaNEST. In this nest, I have multiple work orders. Based on the color, I can easily see how I need to organize the parts when they are completed. However, this is not the only feature color offload has. It can record cutting times, send a reorder for a part, change sheets, and much more. Let's run through the basics. In the right pane, you will see a list of tasks that came from SigmaNEST. There are 3 machines in this list. I can filter this by clicking on the machine in the machine config. Color offload will load the tasks by the order they need to be cut. The user can also change the way the parts are colored. Color offload gives the user the ability to swap out sheets. The operator might want to do this if the sheet is damaged or at the bottom of a stack of other sheets. The swap sheet command will allow the operator to change the sheet from the floor for one layout or the entire task. The inventory in SigmaNEST will be updated accordingly. When cutting, sometimes the operator needs to stop the machine. The operator can record the actual cutting time it took to cut the task by recording the time here. When the task is finished, the operator can decide to reject the part for any reason. Once this action takes place, SigmaNEST will reschedule the part. When the cutting process is completed, click Update. This will tell SigmaNEST that the task is completed.